Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at the Blurams E20C 2K home security camera with a solar panel. This is great because it is completely wireless besides the 10-foot cable that connects the solar panel to the camera. No need to hardwire anything, no need to have an outlet nearby. All you need is the sun and it will charge up the 5,000 milliamp per hour battery that is inside this camera. Blurams is a great company for security. I use them for all the cameras around my house. They're nice because you can have one app look at all your cameras, and you can also put up to a 128 gigabyte micro SD card inside the camera itself to save any footage and look back at it later. So right on the top here, we've got the solar panel, again, a 10-foot cable. It's got USB-C end right there. We've got user manuals. We've got a cable to plug in the camera just in case you want to plug it in directly. We've also got screws and drywall hooks to install the camera. We've got some more hardware here, more screws and drywall hooks for the solar panel. And here is the camera itself. It is nice and taped for protection. So it looks like on the side here, we've got some antennas. You can move those around for better connection. You've got the waterproofed access port. So you can go ahead, and it has a reset button, and it also has a slot for that micro USB card. On the front, we've got the actual camera. We've got lights to light up the area. So if you want to ward off any intruders, or you also just want to see better with the camera, you can use that. But it also does have this night vision infrared sensor right here. It's also got a microphone, and then on the back here, it's got a speaker. So you can go ahead and have two-way talk to the person that's on the camera, and they can also talk back to you. As you can see, this thing moves completely around. It's got human tracking. So if it recognizes that someone is there on the camera, it will use its AI power to go ahead and track them, follow them around, make sure they're completely on camera and not missing at any point. Right here, we've got another waterproofed cover. Take that off, and you've got an off and on switch. You've also got the USB-C port. You can charge this, again, using that solar panel, or you can just plug it in directly. So if you can see right there, we've got the solar camera, the E20C. I'm gonna go ahead and click on that, and it's going to do a Wi-Fi connection. Now it's giving me a QR code on the phone. I'm gonna go ahead and hold that in front of the camera lens, and it recognized it. Now it is connecting to the network.
Configuration complete.
And it is that easy. I'm already connected, and I can view everything that's on the camera straight through the app. So now I'm holding the camera like it is mounted to the wall. I have it facing towards me, and you can see on the app there I am on the camera. If you want to move the camera view around while you're on the app, you can use this joystick right here. Simply move it back and forth like so. You can also use the buttons underneath the display right there to take a picture, record a video at any point that you like, but it also uses motion detection. So it'll notify you whenever something appears on the camera, and it'll save a little video clip to the micro SD card or to the cloud storage if you choose to use that option. I just activated the floodlight from the app, and take a look at that. To install the solar panel to the wall, you take this base, put 3 screws through it, attach this to the wall at first, and then you go ahead and take this, and you can screw that on like so. You can maneuver this however you like. And then this right here just screws into the back of the solar panel like so. To attach the camera to the wall, you've got 2 screw slots right here. You've also got 2 on this side. So there you have it. This is the solar panel. This is the camera. Again, this plugs into the camera. You mount both of these on your wall. You set up the app, and you're good to go. It should literally take less than a half hour to get it all complete, and you have pristine home security through Blurams app. I highly recommend that you get this camera with solar panel. Thanks for watching.